Hey guys, so back for yet another unboxing. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Before I start, please do me a favor. If you really like this content, like, subscribe. Subscribing is really important, and share all of these products that I'm showing. Many of them, not all of them. Some of them through reviews through the Gadgeteer, but like for this product, I purchased this, my own money, my own funds. It's not sponsored by anyone. So being able to make a few bucks to go back and continue to upgrade the studio and get the things I want and to show them to you goes a long way. And your subscription is important. I'm going to step off here and give you a little bit more view of what I'm doing. So I spoke to my sales rep, Devin Cunningham at Sweetwater. He's been my sales rep for over a decade. I wanted some small monitors for one of my other workstation where I do my editing in Adobe and DaVinci Resolve. And he recommended, I told him, I said, he recommended a set of monitors. I said, no, that's too big. I want something really small. And he said, well, 8Audio has speakers. They sound really good. They're really small. They're Bluetooth or USB or auxiliary in. So you have so you got all that connectivity, and they come with a recorder. So I'm not going to make this long for you. I'm going to go ahead and pop this open. I have never seen these before. These came recommended by Devin, and I can probably do a follow-up review later on, an actual review, and tell you what they sound like. This is just an unboxing, please guys. Many times people will say, oh, you didn't tell us how they sounded. This is not the place for that. This is the unboxing. So here's how it's packed. Fell out. That's the usual paperwork. The Sweetwater flyer you get with their sticker. The 8Audio manual. I'm going to put this down on the floor out of sight if you don't mind. I'm going to take the things out because it's easier for me to manage that way. Here is speaker number 1. Speaker number 2. Speaker cable. And another box which I assume is the remote. So let me put this aside for a moment. That's the remote. Let's open up these speakers that I've been dying to see. They are small, no question about it. I should have had my tape measure handy, which I don't at the moment. Been doing so much work on the new studio that you put your tape measure down. I have like 5 tape measures because each time you put one down, you turn around, you can't find it, right? So this is what they look like. Very sleek looking, very sexy looking, I must say that. I hope they sound as good as they look. There's number 2. Oh, what is this in the bag? This is do not eat. Oh, this is a moisture pad. No, I won't eat it, promise. Speaker number 2. I did front and back so you can see your RCA connectors, gold connectors, speakers in the front, 2-way speakers, all right? As I said, speaker cable. Let's get into the remote box. They call the remote. Here's what it looks like in the box. So it's got its manual. It has RCA to 3.5 millimeter cable. So that'll be your input to auxiliary. It has the USB A to A cable. That's a unique cable, right? A to A. It has an audio cable, 3.5 to 3.5, which is interesting because I'm not sure. Let me take a look at something. No, doesn't come out. So the 3.5 to the RCA is what I would use. There is the power brick with the other side of the cable. Obviously these are powered. I should have said that. Well, they're powered through, I believe, their remote. Box is now empty. It's got some sort of double-sided These are not separated, so I thought they were feet. Let me see. Yes, they are. So they're feet for the bottom of the speakers. There should be 2 of them because there's only 4 in that one. And I think I saw one in another bag. I think there is another one, and I kind of screwed up and threw it in the box, so I'll find it. Here it is. Okay? So that's the feet for the speakers. And then this is the remote. And let me do a bit of a zoom in for you. So here we have the remote. The remote's got I'm trying to see, I think it's RCA. It's got right and left. It looks like it should be 2 channels, or it's either in and out. I'd have to look at the manual. It's got LEDs in the front. It's got an input button, power button, and on the input button you have a choice of Bluetooth, USB, or audio, auxiliary audio, right? So that depends on, it's got the 8AUDIO emblem in the front. On the back you've got the DC power adapter, which is this. You've got the USB cable, so it'll go from USB. It doesn't use USB-C. It goes A to A, which is the cable they gave you, or it has the auxiliary in, right? So I believe the auxiliary in allows you to take any other audio device, plug it in here, play it through the speakers. You have Bluetooth, which you can use, or you have the USB cable, which you can use from the computer A to A. Remember, they provided that cable here to output the audio from your PC. So that is what I will be doing likely, using the the USB-A cable from the computer to here, using, this is a speaker cable. Let's open this up real quick. I love unboxings because you get to rip stuff open. If you've had a hard week at work, unboxing is a nice thing to do on Fridays because, yeah, you can really. I hope you guys can see these speakers okay. I didn't turn on the overhead lighting because sometimes, depending on what I'm unboxing, let's try it for a second. A lot of times, so what I'm unboxing, it overwhelms what you can see, and it doesn't necessarily help. Let's see if that helps you. Maybe it does, so I'll leave it on for this. I'm looking at these speaker cables, trying to, okay. So this is speaker cable wire that you would use, I'm guessing if you're connecting. I'm trying to figure this out though, because you have to connect these. I've got it. Took me a second, sorry. So they didn't come with banana clips. It came with all this speaker wire. And basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna connect the speaker wire from here, right? You push in the eye here. Obviously for me, I'm gonna buy banana clips because I don't like that. But you push in the eye here and you plug it in here, plug it in here, plug it in here, plug it in here. So this is left side, right side, speaker out. Input is here. Input's either coming from an RCA device in here, in here, right? Or your computer to here, and then out to the speakers, or Bluetooth to here, but you still need the speaker wires, right? I'm not going to set this up today, although I'm anxious to hear it, because I don't know if I can find my set of banana clips, so I'm likely going to have to make a quick run to either Best Buy, or hopefully Amazon can do an overnight, because I don't like to wait. connect this to my banana clips, connect them here, set this up, do a USB out to it, and go from there. I can also do, I have a dock on that machine, so I can use this cable if I wanted to from the headphone out, but I think I'll go USB. So guys, hope you enjoyed this unboxing, the 8Audio AAV-8XA. I will probably, is it B? No, it's sorry, 8Audio 8X. Huh. The V is upside down. Look at that. I have to show that to you. 8Audio 8XA. I guess that's an A without the crossbar, right? So small monitors. They look good, and hopefully they sound good. And you know, you can get yourself a pair from Sweetwater. From you can go to any of the salespeople at Sweetwater. My salesperson is Devin Cunningham. Fantastic guy. Been dealing with them for years. Please, again, if you like this content, I want to bring more. I'm outfitting an entire studio. There'll be more videos as I got all the equipment in here. Please like, subscribe, and share. There may be other people out there who will enjoy this, but more so, I don't get a big set of money from YouTube, or whatever I get, I try to put back into content and to bring you guys more content. Yes, it allows me to upgrade too, but it allows us all to share. So please, hit that subscribe button, and see you again soon for another unboxing or review.